Today is Thursday, December 4th. This is the 1975-76 Cadillac Fleetwood in-dash climate controller unit. This is for my friend Jay. It will be going into his 1975 Talisman Fleetwood. Absolutely beautiful. So the unit's been completely restored. Okay, all the way down to the final screw. Fully lubricated. Some of the boards replaced, such as the continuity board. Okay, we have perfect ratcheting movement of the slide bar. You can hear the click each time we index it. We can look at the actuation of the rotary valve in concert with the ratcheting reposition of each of the locations. Okay, the unit has been calibrated under power and fully tested, so this will be going to my friend Jay. As soon as I get his okay to ship, reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage Cadillac items from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Thursday, December 4th. This is Eldorado George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.